Hey guys, in this step by step tutorial, I am going to show you how to create community group in WhatsApp business. First, I open WhatsApp, then you can click on three dot menu, then you can see create new group. Just click here, then you need to select some people for those. In purpose, I select this person, then click on next. Now you need to select group name as well. So I select ABC tutorial. You can select as you need. Just now select profile picture. If you want to add a profile picture, you can add anything here. Okay, I select this one. Now click on done. Now here I click on group permission. I can add anything here. Then now click on trick mark, right mark. Wow, my group are created. Now you can invite any people for joining on here. Then you can edit group name and etc, etc. You can doing anything here. So this is a method how you can create community group in WhatsApp business. If you have found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe this channel so you can take care. Goodbye.